Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Today we'll be discussing how to draw a scatter plot in R diagram. Before that, let us know what is a scatter plot. A scatter plot, also called a scatter graph, scatter chart or scatter diagram, is a type of plot or mathematical diagram using Cartesian coordinates to display values for typically two variables for a set of data. The data are displayed as a collection of points, each having the value of one variable determining the position on the horizontal axis and the value of the other variable determining the position on the vertical axis. Here we have taken two axes with some points. Let us look at a simple scatter plot. Here the first point is having coordinate 10, 10. Here 10 means first 10 means that it is the value of x coordinate, and the second 10 means it is the value of y coordinate. For suppose let us look at the second point. It is having coordinate 20, 30. The 20 is the value of the x axis and the 30 is the value of the y axis. Similarly for 30, 20, 40, 50 and 50, 20. Let us consider the following data set. We have taken 12 countries with their GDP and IMR. The countries are Spain, South Korea, Japan, Germany, Australia, United Kingdom, France, Russia, Canada, Italy, Netherlands and Turkey. We'll save this dataset in Excel file in CSV form. Now let us look at the codes to draw the scatter plot in R programming. At first, we'll call our CSV file by using the command data equals to read.csv, then our file name that you have saved in CSV form, comma header equals to true. Next, we'll use the command attach data. The attach command is used to access the variables of the data frame without involving any function or method. Then comes our main command, that is plot command. We'll have plot in bracket GDP, IMR, xlim, ylim, main, xlab, ylab, pch and col. GDP and IMR will be in x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis will comprise of the values of GDP and the y-axis will comprise the value of IMR. We have used xlim and ylim to give the limit of x-axis and y-axis. Here I have given the name of my plot as scatter plot. That's why the main command gives the name of the plot. Xlab and ylab gives the name of the x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis the name will be GDP in US billion and y-axis it will be IMR per 1000 births. PCA 16 means that the dots in the scatter plot will be solidly filled and its color will be red, as we have given color equals to red. Now let us look at our plot that we have obtained using this. This is our plot, but the main drawback of the plot is if we compare the dataset, we don't know which point represents which country. To overcome this situation, we use another code. The code is text in bracket GDP, IMR, labels equals to country dot abbreviation position equals to 3. GDP and IMR is already in the x-axis and y-axis. Labels equals to country dot abbreviation. We have used some country abbreviations. Suppose for South Korea we have used SK, for Australia we have AU as like that. This will represent the country name for their particular dot. That is for the GDP value and IMR value of in the y-axis and x-axis and y-axis, it will give the name. Let us look at the plot. we can see that Netherlands, Spain, South Korea, Australia, Italy is already written in the plot. If we compare this with the data set, we can see and compare side by side. This is a way how we can draw a scatter plot in R programming. Thank you for your patience hearing.